Hi friends, this is a new series of videos that we are going to start, and that is about practical AI for kids. In this series we are targeting students above the age of 10, and we are going to teach them what is AI, what can be done with AI, and how to do it. They will be able to make some really nice applications based on AI principles. So just to give the idea to a kid what is AI, just like our human intelligence, if machine also start thinking and start acting, and they start making decisions. So like you are going to a market and you are picking fruits, then you decide which one should I buy based on your preferences. So similar way, if machines also start taking the decisions, that thing is what we call artificial intelligence. So where do we use them? In today's world, a lot of applications are being run by AI. For example, you are giving command to Alexa. Alexa listens to you and then it will give some output. You are going somewhere and you ask Google through Google Assistance. Again, there is AI involved. There are a lot of sensors, IoT systems, and then there is AI model which will tell you some predictions of weather for incoming days. There also AI is involved. So there are a lot of these things where AI is involved, and few of them we will do in these series of videos. So how to do that? Being a kid, you should know what do you want to do. Then we need some data. Okay, listen. When you were kid and you started learning, you started writing English alphabets. You were given a lot of practice of writing these alphabets again and again. That means you were trained. You were given a data set and you were trained. So that is the same thing. You will be given a data. So I want to make a model that if I show my computer a picture of some soft toy and it has to identify this soft toy is a cat, dog or elephant. First of all, I need to tell my system with a lot of photos of soft toys that this is cat, this is dog, this is elephant. And then the system will train itself. It will start identifying them. And then it will work. So that is how AI systems are made. You give them some data, you train it, and that trained system is called model. So you make a model, and now in that model, if you feed input, it will give you the output. So you made a model which is trained on three different software images, and if you will give a new software image as input, it will tell you that out of these three, which one is this. So how do we work? We have two different ways. Either we make and train our own model, or someone is already saying, I have this model which can detect soft toys, please use it. So that is called pre-trained model. So we can use that also. And in this course, we are going to do both the things. We are going to use pre-trained models also, and we are going to build our own models and then check on that. So what do we need? Is it going to be like we are going to use some expensive softwares and all? No, absolutely not. There are some free softwares from the top companies. MIT have Cognimates. This is the website which is free to use. There is one more tool called PictoBlocks, and from Google we are going to use Teachable Machines. So these are the three platforms that we are going to use. All of them are free to use and they are wonderful platform to get start with AI. So this looks like a little difficult task. What should I know before I start making these AI applications? If you know Scratch programming, it will be fine, preferable, but if you don't know, that's not a problem because you will learn it as we go through the videos. The main thing is you should have a problem solving mind and attitude. AI will be very easy to learn, and then you can ask, okay, what are the things that we are going to make? So we are going to have three broad categories. Vision based application. Vision means we will capture something with the camera, or we will give input as images or videos. A very simple thing which we will start, like your webcam is going to detect whether you have a mask on or not. You can play rock scissors paper with your computer. You can have some hand gestures moving in front of webcam and make a game, like you can hit with the gestures. These can be the things, and there will be a lot more. Audio based, you are going to give voice commands. It can identify whether the voice is yours or your siblings or your parents. It can be voice based automation. That means I am going to give a command that please shut the door, or please open the door, please shut down the lights, and all these things. There can be speech to text converters also. And the third kind of things we are going to do is text based. If you input some text, the computer is going to tell you, okay, you sound little sad today, or you are very excited, chatbot kind of things. So these are the things which we will make, and a lot more in this series of videos. So kids, welcome to this course, and we will regularly update some videos in this series. Thank you.